Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 6 chapter 18 Buddhism and early kingdoms. As we have completed this whole chapter, today we will do its exercise, questions and activities. There are 3 questions. Let's start. Question number 1 is, what were Buddha's teachings about? What were Buddha's teaching about? And its answer is, some of the Buddha's teaching are as following. Rebirth. A is rebirth. People are reborn according to their karma and deeds. Good deeds result in better life, and bad deeds result in being born in a lower state. Number B is equal status for all people. C, non-violence. D, working honestly and diligently. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. Why did Ashoka become a Buddhist? And its answer is, Ashoka became a Buddhist after the Battle of Kalinga, when he saw the death and suffering of the soldiers and prisoners. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. Compare Ashoka's reforms with government reforms in the 20th century. On page number 84, there are Ashoka's reforms. There are different reforms written on this page, and you can also see on the pictures on the page number 85 too. Answer of question number 3 is, in Ashoka's reforms, new hospitals and old homes were built. Killing of animals were forbidden. All religions were treated alike. Caste system was abolished. ठीक है, this was the Ashoka's reforms. And in the 20th century, in the government reforms are, more hospitals and schools were built. ठीक है, there was complete freedom of religion. Telegraph and railway lines were built. Caste system was back. ठीक है, as you know, the 20th century is start from 1st June 1901 to 31st December 2000, and in this whole period there were the rulers, British rulers. Therefore there were also a lot of reforms when Pakistan come into being. You can write a lot of other things if you want. I have written only few of the reforms of the government. If you want to write more, you can add some more reforms. ठीक है बच्चों, आज के लिए यही काम होगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.